Welcome. Okay, how are all of you doing? And let me share an important update about our channel here. So, many of my friends from US, UK, Europe, and other countries which are not Hindi speaking countries have requested me to speak in English as well. And there was a very good suggestion from Peter that why not create one video in Hindi and one video in English, and so that for the better good everyone can understand what I am trying to convey, what I am trying to express. Expression is important. So from now on, one video would be in Hindi, one video would be in English. एक वीडियो इंग्लिश में रहेगा, एक वीडियो हिंदी में रहेगा, ताकि सबको समझ में आए और सबका भला हो. क्या? Now that we are done with the update, let us begin the shave. Share with you which products I am going to use today. So number one, this is the Romer 7 open close comb razor, closed open comb razor, hybrid razor, as I'd like it to be called as. So you can see, so one side is open comb, one side is closed comb, and it was a bit difficult for even me to find the significance of why this, but I'll tell you why it is very important. Okay, I have the Parker blade, Parker Platinum, on use number 5 today. Now I did 1 3-pass shave, 2 3-pass shave, 1 1-pass shave, and 4th 1-pass shave. Today is 5th. I expect to at least do a 2-pass shave with it. If skin and time permits, I'll also go for a 3rd pass, but we'll see. Next is the Yaqi professional brush, which is like this, very soft bristles, very nice and relaxing actually. If I feel stressed, I do like this and my stress is gone. So yeah, very good stress-free brush. The shaving cream would be one of my top 5 shaving creams actually. Whenever I upload a video for top 5, you will definitely see this shaving cream. This is a Biotique Bio Palmyra shaving cream. It looks something like this. Its aroma is still like that. Unfortunately, it is not available anymore. The replacement of this is a shaving gel. Many people say that it is not exactly same as this one, but I will use this today just for enjoyment's sake. Traditional weight shaving is all about enjoyment and relaxation. The aftershave is going to be the Biotique Bio Wild Grass gel, and we'll see about all the products in detail as I shave and you enjoy watching me shave. And I'm not going to use any pre-shave today because I use this face wash, and this has its own slickness. It has glycerin etc. inside it. So if I apply a pre-shave oil or pre-shave cream etc., then it kind of turns a bit more slippery than I expect, and the razor slips. So when I use this, I generally don't use a pre-shave oil, but that's okay. Sometimes I do experiment as well. So let's begin. Alright, so with some water on my face, just some drops, slightly did wet the bristles of this brush but took out the excess water. And what I'm going to do now is, there are two ways. Either I can take the shaving cream and apply like this, which is one way, or I can just take this cream from the, it's become hard over time. That's fine. I have taken some cream. Doesn't it look like a sponge? Anyways, so I have some cream. Now I'm going to do a face lather today, and then let's see if the lather is less. I'll go back to the shaving cream. So let's begin. The thing I like about synthetics is that they don't need any soaking. Although you need to maintain the brushes as you would do for any other brush, but at least for the soaking part, That is one step that you can skip with synthetics. I would like to add some water to this lather. Just to keep the skin moisturized. It has been a difficult period for everyone during the lockdown. It's not possible for everyone to sit at home all the time, watch movies. Although people who can work from home, they are working from home, but still it is a bit difficult. But yeah, anyways, now that nature has brought this to us, so we have to face it, embrace it with the full capacity, and then we'll all get through this. Okay, first pass with the green. Let me get as close as possible. Now I have specifically, chosen the open comb side for the first pass to take off the longer length of the stubble, and then in subsequent passes, I'll use the close comb side to just either touch up or go against the grain across the grain with absolute smoothness. Good feedback. Blade is performing good even on 5th use, no complaints as of now. Good slickness from the cream. Finding the angle of this head is very easy. Unlike other open combs where you have here, you may want to change the angle a bit to adjust the smoothness of the shape, but this one, it just is as normal. I have a Gillette open comb, vintage Gillette open comb head, which I have not used much, probably in only one of the shapes. I'll use that in one of my next videos. It is very similar to that. At least the open comb side from a performance standpoint. So good first pass. Now I'll lather up for the second pass. So just before the second pass, I'm applying some water on my face again to keep the skin moisturized as much as you like. And as per the request from some of the viewers, I have kept the brushes and Gatsby shaving gel right now. Other products remain same, but I am working on this, so I'll see what products I can arrange here. You saw how little shaving cream I took and see the lather which it is producing. Magnanimous. This is how a shaving cream should be. Grassy, I mean, not from an aroma standpoint, but lathering and performance standpoint. Its aroma is good, herbal, natural, grassy, which I like. It's freshening. Alright, so now the fun begins. So on the second pass, I'm going to use the close comb side across the growth on my cheeks and probably against the green on my neck. Let's see. I cannot feel the blade at all, but you can hear the feedback and it is taking off the stubble. Whatever is remaining from the first pass. This is the best part. Oh man. Sometimes, with some razors and blades, I do feel a bit difficult on this area when going against the growth like this. But with this one, it's like just, what should I say, rubbing a feather on your face. Very nice. Okay, now I'll try against the green on my neck area. Trying to take the strokes without stopping, because if I stop in between and the razor slips, there are high chances of getting cuts. Beautiful. There is some stubble still left, for which I am going to do a third pass across the growth on my cheeks from nose to ear and against the green touch-ups. As always, before you begin a pass, apply some water on your face. Thank you. I behave or become like this in my washroom because this is my time and this is my area. I am sorry if you did not like the aggressiveness. With shaving preferences, actually we also do some research on shaving preferences, identifying the personality traits from shaving preferences. People identify personality traits with food habits, hobbies of what people have. I think shaving is one of the hobbies through which we can identify personality. Let's begin against the grain on the neck. Some stubble, not much, very less feedback. No clogging problems. Easy. What the hell? That's why I thought, why a rake is coming on my face with the shaving cream. This happens when I'm very excited during a shave. And believe me, when you have worked the whole day before a computer, on a computer, this is the only exciting time which you've got. Wow. I always miss this stubble here, not here, just in between. Alright, so now when 3 passes are done and the shave is good, I will rinse and go towards the aftershave section. Okay, now the passes are done. Aftershave. So, it's quite jelly and I'll take about this much. Oh, lots of menthol. Slight burning. But still it's a gel. It's moisturizing and non-greasy at the same time. It smells grassy. Freshening grassy, good for summers. And I think someone in the comment section also requested for, not in the comment section, I think in Facebook post, requested me and Divas to give some ideas about products which can be used in summers or a summer shave. So probably in one of my next videos I'll try that as well. Let me know in the comment section. So now, do you want to see the products once more? Alright, I'll show you. So Razor Roamer 7 hybrid comb, as I love to call it. Very good. Open comb one side, close comb another. Use the open comb side for the first pass with the grain and then the close comb side on the subsequent passes, whether you are doing 10 passes. That's up to you. I'm just kidding, don't do it. Keep it to 2, maximum 3, 4 touch-ups, that's it. Blade. Again, Parker Platinum blade inside this. 5th use with 3 passes till it is not giving up. I will try this for a 6th shave as well. Yucky professional brush. Very good brush. Produced immense lather. Was soft on the face. Bristles were absolutely like velvet. And yeah, it waved a good lather on the face. And Biotique Biopalmyra Ayurvedic recipe, which now looks like a sponge. So yeah, a good shaving cream. I don't use it much because it's not available anymore and this is one of my top 5 as I mentioned. So, and this is all guys. Dogs have started barking. Somehow they come to know that now Joy is going to shave and we start barking. Anyways. Anyways, thank you very much for joining today guys. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Practice some yoga if you like. Eat healthy. Yeah, eat healthy. Keep up the good shaves. Bye bye and ciao.